Which aspect of melody is more important, rhythm or pitch? I think if you listen to the radio long enough, you will conclude very quickly that rhythm is more important, as demonstrated by the legendary Miss Katy Perry. In her early years, she was the queen of these single pitch hooks. On her second album, she had three radio singles that had a single pitch hook. Kiss Me, Kiss Me, and California Girls, and Teenage Dream. And the thing about E.T. was that even the verse had a single pitch. It was exactly the same melody in the verse and the chorus. It was dun, dun, da, da, dun, dun, and the way she got away with it was that super melodic pre-chorus in the middle and between. That was one thing. Second thing she did was she sang it in a lighter voice on the verse, and then she belted it on the chorus. But most importantly, the verse pedaled over one chord, and then when we got to the chorus, the chords started changing, so there was harmonic movement, repetition, and variation. But then later on, she just forgot the recipe for it, because she tried to release a song called This Is How We Do that I think was maybe on the radio for like 2 days. And the problem with that one, you may not even know that one because it was such a blip on her discography. But if you look it up, This Is How We Do, same thing, single pitch verse, single pitch chorus, this is how we do, But she did not give us that essential melodic pre-chorus. It was instead like, it's no big deal. Look it up. It was kind of like, Katy, you're forgetting your own magic. But this is all to say, rhythm is more important than pitch. You write a melody that's like all quarter notes, but, like different pitches versus 2 pitches and like a super fun and funky rhythm. Super fun and funky rhythm is going to win every time.